How to change main volume in Djay. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize and change the main volume. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, you can see a yellow like icon. Simply tap on it, and here on the bottom, there is settings. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in this settings interface. Here on the top, at the first section, there is main volume. So there's a slider too. Now you can customize the main volume as you like. Here you can move the slider wherever or whichever position you want to change into. Here on the right, you can even check it by simply tapping on this play button, and you'll be able to figure out the best main volume for your settings. Now after doing that, simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.